DigestZen is a soothing digestive essential oil blend from dōTERRA that promotes healthy digestive function and relief from stomach upset. Perfect for a nervous stomach and bloating, DigestZen is also helpful in harmonizing emotional imbalances that can contribute to an upset stomach and digestive discomfort. Essential oil of ginger is distilled from the ginger rhizome, which is often used as a cooking spice. Ginger essential oil supports digestive health and may reduce feelings of nausea. Caraway, anise, and tarragon have been used to support digestive health and function for thousands of years. Fennel essential oil has been shown to relieve the discomfort associated with occasional indigestion and to nurture a healthy intestinal tract. Safe for children and adults, DigestZen can be taken internally to ease symptoms of occasional digestive disturbance, such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. It can also be used topically and comes in a touch roller for convenient application on kids. Rub 1 to 4 drops on the stomach before flying or taking a road trip for a calming aroma. Dilute 1 to 2 drops in 4 fluid ounces of water or tea to support digestion or minimize motion sickness. DigestZen soft gels are the most convenient way to take internally for fast relief. DigestZen is designed to be used with or without the complementary line of DigestZen nutritional products.